So we're going to talk about four-way two-position valves, the four-way two-position valves. There is a three-position four-way valve, but we're not going to get into that yet. So a four-way valve basically has an in port, it has two working ports, column 1 and 2, and an exhaust port. And the way it works is when the air is coming into the valve, it's either going in the 1 port or going in the 2 port, and the port that it's not going into, the other port is going out and exhausting the air. Now, we have a little arrow going to 1, and the way they usually four-way two positions are used is to drive a cylinder, an air cylinder going back and forth, holding up and down, going left and right. Doesn't matter what you're doing, but when you put air into 1 port, the cylinder moves away from that port, and the other port too is accepting the air and it's exhausting. Now there's symbology for the proper way to write this into a drawing, but for the most part, an arrow will suffice. So when air is going in 1, air is coming out 2. When air is going in 2, air is going out 1, and the cylinder goes up and down accordingly.